Guys, welcome back to PD 110. This week we've got Chapter 9, Exercise, Diet, and Weight Control. We've got a pretty routine week. We've got a Chapter 9 PowerPoint, your quiz, your physical activity report, and your checklist. Please make sure you monitor your checklist and ensure that you have a full green bar. That means you've completed everything for the week. We're getting down to the short roads now with only about 4 weeks left to go in the class. So keep up the great work. If you're missing anything from previous chapters, go ahead back and complete that. I leave the assignments open all year, so if you get a chance to just check your checklist, make sure you've got everything done. If not, you can go back and complete any missing assignments. It's important that you let me know when you do that because I have to manually change the grade once you've made up assignments. And right now, I think the class average is somewhere around a 90 or 91, so you guys are doing a great job. One key thing for Chapter 9, and there's a lot of fad diets out there, and I want to be clear. When it comes to weight control, you must be mindful of the calories in, which would be your diet, versus calories burned, physical activity and exercise. It's that simple. If you take in more calories than you burn, you're going to gain weight. If you burn more calories than you take in, you're going to lose weight. There's really nothing special to it other than that. All right, guys, have a great week. As always, I'm here if you need any assistance. Take care.